Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Pulse to your Windows Dell laptop. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect their JBL Pulse to their laptop so that their sound output can be their JBL Pulse. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first we're going to power on our JBL Pulse by clicking on this button right here. And then you want to enter it into Bluetooth pairing mode. So in order to do that, you're going to click on this Bluetooth icon and then wait until it enters pairing mode. So once it's in pairing mode, you want to go back onto your Windows Dell laptop and click on the Windows icon and then click on settings, which is this icon right over here. And then here you want to click on devices, Bluetooth, printers, and mouse. So this right here. And then next you want to click on add Bluetooth or other device. Then click on Bluetooth, which is this tab right over here. So you're going to click on Bluetooth, and then now you need to find your JBL Pulse in this list of devices that are surrounding you. So here we have our JBL Pulse, and you can see that's indicated by audio. You want to click on this one here and then wait until it connects, and then once it connects, this is going to resume its normal lighting mode. So as you can see, it's returned to normal, and you also get a notification on your laptop that your device is ready to go. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL Pulse to your Windows Dell laptop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.